Oh man, I think my floor drain is trying to kill me. If you've ever experienced this, let me show you how to fix it. Hey, I'm Mike with Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. If you've ever walked into a basement, laundry room, or bathroom and been hit with a nasty sewer smell, you're not alone. The foul odor usually comes from the floor drain. Let's discuss how to fix it. The number one culprit of a smelly floor drain is usually a dry P-trap. The P-trap is that curved section of pipe under the drain, and its job is to hold the water and block sewer gases from coming out into your home. If you got a drain that doesn't get used often, the water in that trap can evaporate. And when that happens, nothing is stopping those nasty sewer gases from escaping into your house. To fix it, pour several cups of water down the drain every few weeks to fill the trap. It's a simple solution that can prevent the problem. You can also add a tablespoon of cooking oil to slow down the evaporation. Another common reason for drain odors is dirt, hair, soap scum, and even mold accumulating in the drain. That's a breeding ground for bacteria. That bacteria is what causes the foul, rotten smell. Try flushing your drain with hot water and a mild drain cleaner. If that doesn't work, you can use a plunger to loosen up clogs. You might need a plumber's snake or auger for more stubborn blockages. These long, flexible tools can reach deep into the pipes to remove clogs. If you don't have access to these tools, call Western and we'll get that clog taken care of in no time. Some floor drains have a clean out plug inside the trap. If that plug is missing or damaged, sewer gases can come straight through the drain and into your home. Make sure to check inside the drain for a missing or loose clean out plug. If it's not there, replacing it should immediately stop the odor. If the smell isn't coming from your floor drain but multiple drains in your house, you might have more of a significant issue, like a problem with your sewer line. A cracked or blocked sewer line can allow gases to escape into your home. If you've ruled out a dry P-trap, clogs, and a missing cleanout plug, but still smell sewer gases, call a professional. A plumber can inspect your sewer lines with a camera and find the source of the problem before it becomes a major repair. A smelly floor drain is more than just a nuisance. It's a sign that something needs attention. The good news is that most of the time it's a quick fix. If the problem persists, don't wait. Call us and we'll take care of the problem before it becomes a bigger issue. If you have drain odors or other plumbing concerns, call Western or schedule your appointment online and we'll make sure those pipes quiet down for good.